When stain makers cut loose. When pets run wild. When road trips get messy. From fresh spills to tough set-in stains. You're ready to eliminate them with Shark StainForce powerful household stain elimination. And with the Shark StainForce dual activated formula, you'll cut through stains with 30 times more power, breaking down tough stains and odours, cleaning up with strong, stain-grabbing suction, lifting them away and locking them away to get your home, car or any of your favourite spaces. Stain-free, fast with StainForce at your side. You won't have to worry about stains again. Even the ones you least expect, because stains will always happen. So make sure you're always ready. Shark StainForce.